Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, in Unit 1, What Nonsense, we will learn about simple present tense. So, open up page number 17 and let's get started. First of all, let us read some information about simple present tense. Simple present tense is also used for instantaneous present actions, which means it has no duration. We use exclamations in such sentences. We use it for radio or TV commentaries, sports, experiments, stage directions, and also habits and storytelling. Now, let's look at some of the examples of simple present tense. The first example is, here comes the bus. The rule of making a simple present tense is by adding s to the base form. So, in this example, you can see we have added s to the word come. Now, let's look at another example. There goes the last bus. These two are the instantaneous actions, which means they do not have a specific duration. Now let's look at the third example. The old man sits down on the floor, stretches his arms, and sighs. This is the habit of the old man, and you can see we have added s and es to the base forms. Now let's look at the next example, which is pour the cake batter into the bowl and add some drops of lemon juice. In this example, we are giving a direction. Now, the next example is she looks at me as I walk through the door. And the last example is Grandma talks to me as I look for her books. We do not add s with I, you, and they. Now, let's do an activity. Write some sentences as above. Try to make them yourself. And if you have any problem, ask someone in your family to help.